look at that sexy car. Oh, look at that. What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video. I need a haircut, so I'm gonna go ahead and have my hair. You know what I'm saying? I need a haircut. So today, I want to pick up my truck from BMW. My BMW truck. A black man wish. Yeah, that's what they call it. Black man wish. You know what I'm saying? I want to pick up my truck today. Y'all wouldn't believe what the total came out to. You know what I'm saying? You could have bought a new car with the total that it came out to. God damn. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, today is a beautiful day. Pretty chilly. You know what I'm saying? You see I got my sweater on. You know, I need to schedule an appointment for my haircut pretty soon. My hair looks really messed up. You know what I'm saying? But right now we on our way to the doctor for the other baby. You know what I'm saying? So I hit you guys back when we go pick up the truck. You know what I'm saying? Tell you how much that total came out to. Like I said, that thing almost came out to almost. You could buy 2 new used cars with the total that came out to. God damn, you know what I'm saying? It's like holy cow. You know what I'm saying? The dealership they be taxing. You know what I'm saying? But I guess they do it right. You know what I'm saying? They don't cut corners. Like I said, I hit you guys back when we get there. So stay tuned. Alright, what's up, guys? Alright, we like literally 3 minutes away from the dealership now. We had took care of the doctor's appointment.
Turn left onto Eagle Ridge Drive.
Yeah, right there, turn left. So, like I said, we 3 minutes away from the dealership. We took care of the doctor's appointment, or her doctor appointment. Now we got another one, Braden. Braden got to, go to his doctor's appointment. What I was about to say, oh yeah, if you guys can't cop the Travis Scotts that's coming out on, I think, the 11th or the 12th, one of them. Basically, Travis Scott's dropping. If you guys need some Travis Scotts, either hit me on my Snapchat or hit me on my Instagram, you know what I'm saying? Tell me outside, woo. I can get the Travis Scotts, you know what I'm saying? Or hit my boy, like I said, Steve. If you guys watch his videos, I think it should be shoe _ Avenue 1, I think. So you guys make sure you guys do that. See, here we go. We just pulled up to the
turn right onto Saucer Drive.
Look at that.
Turn right.
BMW. Ain't that right, buddy? Huh?
Is one of those yours?
Yeah, I think that one's sitting right there in the front. But as we just pulled up to the spot. So guys, let me go ahead and spend this money real quick. I'm gonna hit you guys when I get back. Cool. Just pick my car up. What I do, the papers I gave it to you.
Yeah. Grab the car.
Anyway, like I said, I'm gonna break down like pretty much how much the repairs were. It was like everything together was like 6,000, $6 grand. But like, let's go check out these cars right here.
That Braden's already going to look at.
Huh?
I said Braden's already going to look at them.
You know about the seats? Wow, look at. Hold on, buddy. Brandon, come back.
They probably got these doors locked. They do. I ain't even gonna touch it. It's the fucking alarm go off.
Look at
the
that.
radio.
Look at that screen.
That's decent.
Yeah, it is.
What's this? Can't see. Is this the same one?
That one.
You can't really see anyways.
That's a different. Look how big these grills is.
Whatever that is.
The grills big. Look at that black. Brandon, come out. I don't need you touching stuff.
You should do that to yours.
Oh, black out the grill.
Yeah.
Come on, let's look at these trucks real quick. I love these trucks. This is an X5. It's like the newer version of mine.
That's an M.
Yeah, oh yeah, this is the fast.
Come on, bro.
Look at those. Look at that. We're going home. Let me get that. Look at that. Look inside there.
Don't look at the thing. How much you think it is?
This thing gotta cost at least almost 100 grand. Sticker price.
Don't look.
Look at that. Look at that big grill. And it got a camera in front. Look at Brady touching on it.
I think it's 80.
They got one of them little radar sensors.
94,000.
Yeah, almost 100 grand.
Is this a new one?
As a taxes probably. Yeah, this is what is this? A 2020. This is a 2020.
Oh, that's why.
You gotta stick the price. You good, buddy? Look at that. Look at all these. They got the big grills on them. They go to X, I don't know. But this thing like, now this one costs.
This one?
Look at these big grills on
The
it.
blue one?
Yeah. That one costs. Yeah, that's the X6. Look, I ain't never see a grill up. Wow, these. Look at the grills.
Huh?
You can't even see inside the engine. Wow, these open up. These open up. So wow, I didn't even look at this camera right here. Didn't even see that camera right there. Holy cow! You see that camera? They got a front camera right here.
Yeah, so does the one next to it. But
So
why don't this one look like a baby gorilla?
I don't know. Just like a new version or some shit. I don't know. But look at the lights. The lights. Look how slick that is. But anyway, guys, back on the grill. I didn't know that. So basically, you can't even put your hand in there. You know what I'm saying? So I can only imagine when you start it up, these open up like this, open up because you can feel, you could touch it, and these open up. Wow, I didn't even know that. I want to know that they got that on there. Yeah, they got that on all models actually. Yup. They got that on all models. Wow. I mean, like I said, I love BMW. I got 2 BMWs myself. I really love those cars. I mean, I don't know why, but I just do. First time in the BMW, you know what I'm saying? I just kept going with it, you know what I'm saying? I kept, you know what I'm saying, going with it. So the next BMW I hopefully get, next BMW will be the X5M. That's a big boy. That's a big engine in it. V8. It's fast, really quick. Real quick. But I don't know. I guess you test drive it, maybe.
So you
I don't
can't
know.
test drive like these other ones?
Nah, yeah, these gotta be demos. Look at that. Wow.
The seats are like, it's like dark.
Look at that. Oh, I didn't show them the X6s. No, the X4. I guess this is like a new version. Yeah. So these like the. Look at that. Shit, I'm taller than this car. Shit. Hey, this thing might go probably fast. I don't think it's an M though. No M. But golly, I wanna do this. Oh yeah. Look at that. Wow.
These ones are like small.
Wow. This is nice though. I like it. Like I said. Is it? That might be like a sport package. I don't see it. I just see X Drive.
Yeah, on the tire though it's an F.
I don't know. Alright guys, we just showed up to Braden's doctor's appointment right now. Let's see. You can see something right there. Where she at? She's getting Braden out the car right now. But like I said, anyway guys, we just showed up to his appointment. Now, look at this. Didn't I tell you guys, I'm always on E with this car, man. I don't know what's up, but this car takes a lot of gas, and it uses a large amount of gas. Jesus, you know what I'm saying? Back to us, let's break this down real quick. You know what I'm saying? So, alright, so I brought it in for check engine light, right, you guys? Okay. Alright. So, brought it in for check engine light. So they started the diagnosing on the vehicle, right? I think the sign of you guys. Hold on, let me close it up so you guys can see me. Bring that up a bit. There we go. Just a little bit more. All right, so they brought it in for diagnosing the check engine light, because I brought it in for check engine light. They started diagnosing it. So what they thought it was vanos. If I'm saying it right, vanos. It's like intake and exhaust side. It's different. It's like round. You know, I don't really know how to explain BMW like that because their cars are weird. It's just German vehicle, like I said. It's nothing like American vehicle. It's made German. So some vanos, I think they call vanos. So they thought it was the solenoids, so it wasn't the solenoids, but they replaced it anyway. So boom. How much was that? Let me see. Okay, so both Vano solenoids was $202 a piece. So that after taxes, that came out to $426, and the labor was $340. So right off the back, that's how much? What? Who? Who did? Huh?
That car right there.
Which one? The red one?
No, the delivery one.
She was pulling out. She was a delivery driver.
Yeah.
Where'd she go?
Jimmy Jam. She's right there.
She just hopped out.
Yeah.
Hop out to look at it.
Yeah.
Was somebody in it?
I don't know.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
No, Brayden.
Alright, anyway, somebody just hit a car. I don't know. There's always some crazy shit going around. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully nobody hit my car while I'm going to this doctor's appointment. Anyway, so right off the back, first thing, $700 right out the pocket. Just right there. Plus, diagnosing it is $170. So we almost at a rack. You know what I'm saying? So, so that didn't fix it, right? So they had to proceed. Did she just drive off? They had to proceed with further diagnostics because I guess something else popped on or the check engine light was still on. So they had to basically pull the valve cover to check out the what is it called? The valves and everything. Make sure so right off the back, you know, you need a new valve cover because they pulled it off. So that costed. What's the valve cover? I think it was like, I know the valve cover was like $200 or something plus the labor. Well, anyway, so they said, all right, we gotta go into the engine now. So then this one they got to get my warranty department in this because you going inside this engine now. So they checked it out. Boom, they found out that I had. Did she pull off? Huh? So they found out that I had. Let me see. So the adjusters failed. Needle bearings, spraying nozzle oil. So they replaced all that. So pretty much all that came out to what, like $4,000? Just that alone was $4,000 just to replace. Don't forget including labor hours. You know what I'm saying? The labor they had to put in it. $5,000 right there. Plus the stuff that I had to. Plus the vanos. The solenoids, all that. So basically $6,000 out the door. Pretty much they just came up with right off the back. You know what I'm saying? So before you get a BMW, make sure you know what you're getting into. You know what I'm saying? Because it does cost a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? Short term and long term. You know what I'm saying? The tires on this thing cost almost $600 a piece. So like I said, you guys make sure you guys, you know what I'm saying, know what you know what I'm saying, getting into before you even get a BMW. You know what I'm saying? Drives good. You know, all foreign vehicles drive good. They always coming out with the new technology. Even now, they stuffing so much technology into these new vehicles. It's ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? So they're going to always need somebody to work on it. So, hey, you know what I'm saying? You need a job. You better go fill out for BMW, Infinity, blah, 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 blah. You feel what I'm saying? So you guys might want to do that. Ooh. So she basically taking a picture like the car shouldn't even be parked right there.
Everybody park right there.
What she say? Ma'am, what?
Don't close
But anyway, guys, we finna check this out. I think there was an accident. We finna walk up and see what's going on. But anyway, so you guys make sure you hit that subscribe, that like button. You know what I'm saying? More videos on the way. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah.